Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 395th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you a mouth-watering one-pot meal that your whole family is going to enjoy. We're going to make seafood rice with smoked sausage. How yummy does that sound? And my friends, this dish is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it's going to be full of shrimp, crawfish, and smoked sausage. And if you're a seafood lover, y'all going to fall in love with this dish, and this will be your go-to recipe. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern Recipes playlist and my previous video, Peanut Butter Oatmeal Cookies. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your rice, your smoked sausage, and your seafood sugar, because we're about to cook some seafood rice magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium-high heat. I added some canola oil. We're going to add in a half a pound of smoked chicken sausage, or you can use any sausage. Hear that sizzle? That's what you want. Give that a stir. And we're going to let the sausage cook for about 6 to 8 minutes until they're brown. Alright my friends, our sausage is nice and brown. So now we're going to remove them from the pot and reserve the drippings. Okay, so now it's time to add in the seafood into our sausage drippings. We're going to add in a pound of shrimp that I washed, peeled, and deveined, and a pound of crawfish that I thawed. And we're going to add in a half a tablespoon of creole seasoning, or you can use cajun seasoning, and give this a quick stir. So now we're going to let the seafood cook until the shrimp turn pink, and you don't want to overcook the crawfish because the crawfish is fully cooked. Alright my friends, the crawfish and shrimp is nice and cooked. So now we're going to remove it from the pot. Alright, so now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Let that melt. Now we're going to add in the vegetables. I'm using 1 large yellow onion diced and 1 green bell pepper diced. Give this a quick stir. And we're going to let the vegetables cook until they're translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright my friends, the vegetables is nice and soft. Smells amazing up in this kitchen. So now we're going to add in 2 cloves of garlic that I've minced. And give this a stir. And let it cook for 30 seconds. Okay, now it's time to add in our last ingredients. 4 cups of shrimp stock, and it's just the shrimp tails with water. I'll put a recipe to that down below in the description box. And over here in this bowl, I reserved the crawfish juice, and I added a little water that's going to give our rice a lot of flavor. 2 cups of long grain white rice that I washed. And my seasoning. A half a tablespoon each of creole seasoning, dry thyme, onion powder, and garlic powder. And give this a quick stir. And make sure you taste to see if it needs any more seasoning. So now we're going to cut the fire up to high and bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, the water has came to a boil and I tasted it has the right amount of seasoning. Oh, and also I use a tablespoon, not a half, of onion powder, garlic powder, and dry thyme. So now we're going to cut the fire down to low. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to cover it and let it simmer for 25 minutes until the rice is soft and tender and all the liquid absorbed. Alright my friends, ready for the grand finale? Here we go! Ooh, look at that! Isn't that beautiful with the vegetables on top? So now I'm going to fluff the rice. Smells good. Alrighty, now it's time to add the seafood and the sausage into the rice. And stir this in. OMG, this looks so good. Look at all that seafood and sausage. Alright my friends, there you have it. Seafood rice with smoked sausage. Doesn't that look good? Alright. So now I'm going to let it cook for 1 minute so the sausage and seafood can reheat. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I fixed me up a plate. And there's one more thing I gotta add to it. Some chopped green onions. Right on top. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me some rice and a shrimp. Look at that. Shrimp is perfectly cooked, sweet, rice is flavorful, nice and tender. This seafood rice is magnificent, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm gonna grab me a chicken sausage and a crawfish. Yum-o. Seafood rice delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.